How you doing? Dan Swede, Hydrochem System. Here's our low pro. We call it a Thunder trailer. It's a 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine, dual tank, two 270-gallon tanks that can combine together to make a 540-gallon tank. It has that 31 horse Vanguard belt drive with a 3,000 watt onboard generator, stainless steel burner housing. This also has full wastewater recovery and filtration system. It'll actually recycle and filter the water from 100 feet away from the trailer. It has actually 4 electric hose reels, 3 high pressure, 1 inlet reel on this. You see it's a Carnival red, I believe, is the color on this trailer. That front door closes, so it has airflow and it still has protection. On the front, double doors on both sides of the trailer, double doors on the rear. Real sleek, nice custom trailer package. We're selling a ton of these. We also have more trash bin cleaning trailer packages being put together and going out the door. These also have the 3,500 9-gallon hot water machines on there, dual tanks. That's actually 15-stage filtration system on this one here and this one. These are available for immediate delivery, so if you're ready to go and want to get it, obviously you can tell there's a trend that this is a state-of-the-art, one of the best commercial pressure cleaning systems out there. Trailer packages with wastewater recovery and filtration, and that same 31 horsepower power washer is on our trash bin cleaning systems. That'll tell you that it's a multitask system. You can actually do commercial pressure cleaning with these. Dumpster cleaning, you can vacuum wastewater up to 100 feet away with the trash bin cleaning systems. Surface clean with it, and you can clean trash bins at up to like 70 trash bins an hour. Like I said, to be able to diversify and have the eco-friendly, we don't use the rear hopper, the wastewater holding tank, like others do. Really not that street legal to be able to drive around with wastewater from, say, like I always said, just imagine calling the city and go, hey, I got a trash bin cleaning company. I just cleaned 100 filthy trash bin, and I'm towing it around on my trailer or the back of my truck in an open top hopper. I want to find out where I can dump that water. They might laugh at you on that. I mean, you want to have some environmental eco-friendliness based on having do the right thing mentality and being green. Just because somebody says eco doesn't mean it means you could take that hopper full of filthy, nasty, unfiltered wastewater and dump it into a KOA RV park and just it's commercial affluent. It's a different world than RV wastewater that might be 20-30 gallons of toilet water versus commercial affluent is what it's called. See, we got the extra inlet high pressure hose, 15-stage filter. This one's still going together. So as you can see, we're just building non-stop on these packages. The blue is by far the 9 out of 10 hour going out the door in this blue color. And Swede Hydrochem System.